everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today we are making orange cake. You will need 2 butter, 500 grams, and sugar. Cream your butter and sugar. So this sugar, cream your butter and sugar very well until it's very creamy. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn off your notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be notified right away. And for my returning subscriber, I say thank you for your love, thank you for your support. I love you all so much. So I have to scrape the side. You see how creamy it is, so floppy. So for you to know that it's well cream, the color will change. So add your egg. Add milk. This is liquid milk, low fat. You can use full fat milk. Mix very well. So I have to scrape the side so that I can continue mixing, so that my working surface will not be too rough. Make sure you mix very well. This is baking powder and my flour. Add your baking powder to your flour and mix. Be adding it gradually, don't add it once, so you can make it like 3/4. Please mix on a low speed so that your working surface will not be too rough. You can put it on number 1 depending on the hand mixer you are using or machine or mixing machine. Please mix on a low speed and add your grated rind of orange. So I use 2 orange, just grate the back. Add flour to it. So this is the second part of the flour. Mix on low heat, on low speed. So our last part of the flour. In this orange cake, I use 800 grams of flour. I'm going to write all the recipe on the description box so you can get everything that you need. And please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family. Share. If you don't share my video out, it will not go viral. Please share my video out. Mix it very well. This time around you can put it on speed 5 or speed 4. So this is after I mix everything. See how creamy it is, soft. So time to bake. Pour in your baking pan. This is to remove hair from the cake. So you have to balance it. This finger process is for your cake not to overflow out. So make sure when you put your hand at the middle, you see this middle line, make sure it does not pass that middle line. so that your cake will not be coming out from your pan and all your oven will be filled up. So this is the remaining one. I have to use this my bread pan. So this is the remaining one. I pour it here for. So let's prepare our orange syrup. This orange juice. You get 250 ml. Add sugar to it. Stir until the sugar is well dissolved, and please do it on a low heat, not on a very high heat. Continue stirring. Once you see it start boiling, then you turn off the your heat or gas or stove. You see it just boil out now, so I'm going to off my gas. This orange slice is for garnishing. You can put it, this optional, you can put it like this. I just want the orange sugar to enter inside, but it's optional. You can still decide not to put it, so just for just few minutes and remove it. Keep aside. Please make sure you allow this orange syrup to cool down before adding it to your cake. Don't add it to your cake instantly, and you're adding it to your cake when your cake is still in the oven. So this is my cake and it's halfway baked. Let me say 30 or 35 minutes. So I'm adding the orange syrup to it now. Please, your cake should be baked on 180 degrees. I'm doing this so that the syrup can go in very well. So use spoon to put the remaining part. After this process, you return it back to the oven and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes and your cake is ready. Once you put a skewer at the middle, it comes as plain, then it is ready. Once it did not come out plain, take it back, it's not ready. So this is it. It comes out plain, then our cake is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to share my video out. So the cake is ready. I just want to put it here so that it will cool down. So this is the outcome of the cake. So beautiful, soft. Oh my god, see how soft it is. Please comment. So it's time to garnish our cake. Garnish with the orange slice. I've watched to this place. Thank you very much. And our simple orange cake is ready. See how unique and beautiful it is. Enjoy. Bon appetito. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed and stay tuned.